Bro, look at Collins Springs. Shit is flooded. Flooded. Damn, them motherfuckers throwing mud. They gonna know their ass gonna be up in the ditch. They'll be right up in the damn ditch somewhere. But that right there is the curb. Look how deep the water is. It's flooding so bad that's coming up on the curb. With the curb right here. See right up how deep the water is. And motherfuckers is zooming. People going right through that shit too. They zooming. Right through that shit. Look at that shit. That shit is flooded. Flooded. Over the water. Everybody keep playing around like this is a game. Well, I tell you, somebody's gonna end up in a wreck. Look how deep the water is. Somebody's gonna end up in a wreck. It's raining like shit. Look. Doing this about a good 20 minutes now. That's crazy. Look how bad it's flooded all the way up here. All the way up here it's flooding. And all the way back down there. It's going way down there. Way down. It's going across the road. That motherfucker went through that ground fast as shit. He was tripping, man. Oh, they tripping. Oh, that water. Man, it's just raining like shit out here. That shit is bad out there. Damn, you see that shit? Damn. We're playing like this is a game. We're gonna catch the wrong motherfucker. That's gonna be it. Look at that shit, bro. Oh, that's a good one right there. One more with my camera, my battery go there. All that water and mud and shit. That's crazy. Come on, let me get one more. Damn. I do that on it. It's tough. Boy, it's tough. But everybody's trying to slow down now, look. Everybody's trying to slow down now, look. It's coming on the other side of the road, man. Everybody's slowing down, look. Everybody in a little kink. The whole damn road is flooded now, bro. Look. That's so buck. They're going through this shit like it ain't nothing, though. They don't even care. Like, they ain't even scared or nothing. That shit wild right there.